Wendy Olivas, and I'm with the Reyes Team at eXp Realty. And I'm with my lender partner,
Colburn with iServe Residential Lending.
And we're here to give you some information on the pre-approval process and the path to home ownership. Bree, I know a lot of buyers are out there wondering, what is the difference between pre-qualification and pre-approval?
So great question. When people are getting pre-qualified for home loans, they're submitting their information, online, and it's generating, a number that they can go qualify for, right? Okay. And so it's not a true pre-approval. When we are pre-approving you, we are collecting your documentation. We are verifying, your income and employment. We are running you through our automated system, Desktop Underwriter, for approval. So you really want to be pre-approved before you are out shopping, because you are ready at that point to go ahead and make an offer.
Perfect. And when I do the pre-approval process, this doesn't necessarily mean that we're actually getting a loan. We still have to go through the actual loan process and all of the documents, right?
Yes. Once you're in contract, you're going to go through processing, underwriting for, conditional approval, and any additional items needed to approve that loan we'll collect at that time. Once you're clear to close, we'll have you sign, we fund, and you get the keys in hand.
Perfect. That seems like a pretty easy process, and I'm glad that you're here to back us up with that.
Yeah.
What can they expect with you on their first consult coming in to meet with a lender? What kind of documents do you guys require?
So when we bring you in for your appointment, we'll send you a list of basic documents to bring with you. This is going to include things like your driver's license, 2 years of your W-2s and tax returns. We will also ask for 30 days of pay stubs and 2 months of bank statements.
Perfect. And about how long after they submit all that documentation until they can see a pre-approval letter?
Well, the consultation takes about an hour, and during this we will go over, different loan types. We will go over your goals, what your expectations are for cash to close, your comfort level for the monthly mortgage payment, and if everything's ready to go, you could be shopping as soon as we're done with that appointment.
There's a lot of different loan options out there. What is the difference between FHA, Conventional, and VA? And can you tell us what those down payments look like for those programs?
Yeah, absolutely. So FHA is going to be your government-backed loan. The down payment requirement is going to be 3.5%. VA loans are for our veterans. They are 100% financed, so it's a zero down payment requirement. And then Conventional is privately backed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. That down payment requirement is going to be 5%.
Okay, awesome. And I know that there's still a lot of grant programs out there still available for our first-time home buyers. What do those programs look like, and what are the requirements on those?
So Nevada Rural Housing Authority has Home at Last. This grant, you can get anywhere from 0% up to 5% in assistance. So that could be up to $25,000 that you can get in grant assistance. Yes, there are some requirements for this product. You do need to have a 640 FICO score. If you are getting an FHA loan, the income cap is going to be $116,000, whereas with Conventional, it's $135,000. Okay. And then also your debt to income ratio cannot exceed 45%.
Okay.
This loan product is going to be used, this grant product is going to be used outside of the city limits of Reno.
You can look anywhere outside of Reno, Fernley, Carson, those areas. So what if they wanted to shop inside the city limits of Reno? What options do they have there?
So there's the sister product that's offered through Nevada Housing Division, and it's called Home is Possible. You can get anywhere from 2 up to 5% in assistance. You also are required to have a 640 FICO score with this product. The income limits on this one's a little bit different than the Home at Last. You can make up to $105,000 if you're getting an FHA loan, and then with a conventional loan, it is going to be by county.
Okay, perfect. So now with the loan process, about how long are you guys seeing before they can close on the loan and the home?
From contract to close, we're anywhere from 30 to 35 days.
Okay, wow, that's a really quick process still to be in a home. And then anything as a first-time home buyer, just a buyer in general, is there any information that I should withhold from you, or is there anything that could delay the process while I'm buying a home?
So you absolutely do not want to withhold anything from us. It's really important to be transparent so we can best structure the loan. Things that you want to avoid during the process is as soon as we get you pre-approved, you don't want to be opening any new lines of credit, charging up your credit cards. We want to know where your cash is coming from. So if you're depositing, cash into your account, all of that needs to be sourced and documented. So it's important that we know where everything is.
Perfect. Yeah, we're your partners, and we definitely want to make sure that we are making this process as smooth as possible and to make sure that you're getting the best options available to you. Well, thank you so much for sharing all that information. We really appreciate it, and I'm sure our buyers also appreciate that information. And if you're looking to purchase a home, refinance, or get any of that information or start the process, we're here to help families achieve their dream of home ownership. Give me a call at 775-420-0042.
And you can reach me at 775-303-8773.
Follow us for more information on our link below. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys.